was born with a backbone, not built to bend. A fire in my gut, calloused hands. A heart that don't hide when the storms roll in. And two reasons swinging that say, hell yeah, I'm a man. They ain't the biggest thing God ever made, but I don't need no microscope to stake my claim. And I think every day, yeah, I'm proud to be a man. No shame in being steady, no shame in taking lead. No guilt for making choices when I know what my people need. They call us toxic, outdated, just too bold to understand. But I ain't asking for permission.